The Pakistan Air Force, PAF, has long been a loyal user of Chinese-made products, including fighter jets, airborne early warning and control, AEW&C aircraft, and attack drones. Specifically for fighter aircraft, the PAF currently operates 53 Chengdu F-7 jets developed from the Soviet-era MiG-21. However, all of the aircraft are planned to be replaced by the Chengdu PAC JF-17C Block 3. For modern fighter jets, the PAF operates the JF-17 Thunder family, consisting of 50 JF-17A Block 1 units, 62 JF-17A Block 2 versions, 26 JF-17B Block 2, and 23 of the most advanced JF-17C Block 3 variant. 27 are still on order. Meanwhile, for the 4.5th generation fighter jets, the PAF began operating the Chengdu J-10CE jet, export variant of the J-10, since March 2022. A total of 36 aircraft were acquired, with 20 already delivered. As for the 5th generation stealth fighter jet, Pakistan has decided to acquire the J-35A developed by the Shenyang aircraft manufacturer. The decision came after the J-35A's debut at Airshow China 2024 in Zhuhai in November last year. Defense Pakistan on its X account stated that China will expedite the delivery of J-35A stealth fighter jets to Pakistan. The first batch is expected to arrive by the end of 2026. This is in line with Pakistan's initial plan to acquire 40 J-35As, potentially making it the first export customer for the J-35A. Another report said Pakistani pilots had even begun training in China to familiarize themselves with the advanced systems and operational capabilities of the stealth fighter jet. The J-35A in the PAF will replace the Lockheed Martin F-16A Fighting Falcon and the Dassault Mirage 3 as well as the aging Mirages.